Welcome to Lakshya Institute Pathankot channel. So today in lecture 3rd we will discuss all the questions which are there in the previous Neet examination for class 11th for chapter 3rd Plant Kingdom. So let's start with the video. First question, pick the odd one out. Option A is Cycas dioecious, option B is Salvinia heterosporus, option C is Equisetum homosporus and option D is Pinus dioecious. The right answer is option D, Pinus dioecious. Question second. Conifers are adapted to tolerate extreme environment conditions because of option A is presence of vessels, option B is thick cuticle, option C is superfillical stomata, and option D is broad hardy leaves. The right answer is option B, thick cuticle. Question third. Pick the correct statement. Option A is Salvania, Ginkgo, and Pinus all are gymnosperms. Option B. Gymnosperms are both homospores and heterospores. And option C. Leaves of gymnosperms are not well adapted to extreme climates. And option D is Sequoia is one of the tallest tree. So the right answer is option D. Sequoia is one of the tallest tree. Question 4. This is responsible for peat formation. Option A is Pygonum, option B is Funaria, option C is Riccia, and option D is Machentia. The right answer is option C, Riccia. Question 5. This is an incorrect statement. Option A is isogametes are familiar in structure, function, and behavior. Option B is in oomocytes, female gametes are smaller and motile, while male gametes are larger and non-motile. Option C is anisogametes differ either in structure, function, or behavior. And option D is Climodominus exhibit both isogamy and anisogamy, and focus shows oogamy. The right answer is option B. In oomocytes, female gametes are smaller and motile, while male gametes are larger and non-motile. Question 6. What is common in all the three Funaria, Dryopteris and Ginkgo? Option A is independent sporophyte, option B is independent gametophyte, and option C is well-developed vascular tissues, and option D is presence of archegonia. The right answer to this question is option D, presence of archegonia. Question 7. This is common to multicellular fungi, filamentous algae, and protonema of mosses. Option A is multiplication of fragmentation, and option B is mode of nutrition. Option C is members of kingdom Plantae, and option D is diaplantic life tissue. The right answer is option A, multiplication of fragmentation. Question 8. Which of these is a vascular cryptogam? The option A is Equisetum, the option B is Machentia, the option C is Citrus, and option D is Ginkgo. The right answer is option A, Equisetum. Question 9. This is considered important in the development of seed habit. Option A is dependent sporophyte, option B is haplontic life cycle, option C is heterospory, and option D is free living gametophyte. The right answer is option C, heterospory. The last question for this lecture is pick one of the following pairs of important features distinguishing Gnetum from Cycas and Pinus and showing Aphanites with angiosperms. And the option A is embryo development and apical meristem. Option B is perianth with true integuments. Option C is presence of vessels elements and absence of archegonia. And the option D is absence of resins duct and leaf venation. The option right that is option C, presence of vessels elements and absence of archegonia.